Hello, Prep 1. Now we'll start lesson 3, chemical equation and chemical reactions. What's the meaning of chemical reaction? Chemical reaction, it's breaking bonds between reactant molecules and forming new bonds in the product molecules. Excellent. What does it mean? For example, we have reactant, which is magnesium and oxygen. When magnesium combines with oxygen atoms, they change it into, or they produce magnesium oxide. So the magnesium atom change into positive ion, the oxygen atom change into negative ion, and combine to each other to form the magnesium oxide, which is the product. So we can define the chemical reaction as it's the breaking the existing bond between atoms in the reactant molecules and forming new bonds between the atoms of product molecules. We can represent the chemical reaction by a chemical equation, So what is the chemical equation? When you look at this figure or this equation, you will see chemical symbols like Mg for magnesium, O for oxygen. And you will see what? Numbers. These numbers is the valences of these atoms or this group. And you will see what? Triangle. What's the triangle? It means heat. So we can define the chemical equation as it's a set of symbols and chemical formula represents what? The reactant and the product molecules, and also conditions of the reaction. In this equation, for example, heat. It means this chemical reaction needs heat for complete the equation or to complete the reaction. So you must know that the mass of reactant must be equal to the total mass of product, and this is known as what? Law of conservation of mass. So the chemical equation must be balanced. Give reason why? Because the total mass of reactant must be equal to the total mass of product. Now, the chemical reactions have many types. We will study, inshallah, this term, the direct combination reactions. Direct combination, it means combination between chemical compounds or chemical elements. We have 3 types of chemical of direct combination reaction. Number 1, an element with another element. Like what? Carbon combined with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide. Number B, an element with a compound. Like what? The element oxygen, O2, combined with 2 compounds of CO or carbon monoxide to produce carbon dioxide. The last one is a compound with another compound, like what? NH3 combined with HCl or hydrochloric acid to produce NH4Cl. So the chemical reaction has 3 types: elements with elements, elements with compounds, compound with a compound. So the last part in this lesson is the chemical reaction. We know that chemical reaction in our life play a vital role in our life. Some of these reactions have advantages and some has disadvantage, like burning, like carbon dioxide gas, like carbon monoxide gas. All these examples which is explained previously. Thank you for listening.